Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a crochet boss braid with the cornrows. So with that said, let's jump right into the video. So right here I'm just showing you guys the hair, and I'm going to cut this into two, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and pull on the ends to give it extra to stretch it out to give it extra length. So for the hair color, you don't have to use this exact color I use in this video. I'm only showing you the hairstyle. It's up to you to choose what kind of color you want yours to be. So, and also I use 4 packs of the Aliexpress braiding hair. So yeah. So right here I'm doing the boss braid for the crochet braid. So I braid all the way to the tip, and then I twist the end to give it like a thin finish on the tip of the hair. So here are the braids for. Right now I'm starting by separating my hair into two. We're going to be the back section and the front section. So the back section is going to be for the for the crochet boss braid, and the front section is going to be for the cornrows. So on the front section I separated it into 4. So right there. So I've already started doing the crochet boss braid, and so for the braiding pattern, I hope you guys can see it a little bit. The main clip of the pattern was too dark. I also tried adding more light, but still didn't work, so I just had to remove it. I've already finished the crochet boss braid and also half of the front section. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to do the feeding cornrows. But first I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some treatments. So this is a scalp and hair treatment. I'm applying it on my scalp, and after that I'm going in with a comb to just comb through the hair. So for the feeding cornrows, you want to start with your hair first before going into add any hair. And also for the hair, you want to start with a small section with a small piece of hair, just like that, and then you can go ahead and increase the amount of hair you add as you braid along. Cornrows on the front is the same amount of hair. I use the same amount of hair I use for the boss braid. So I start by sectioning off the hair I'm going to be using for the same amount I use for the boss braid, and then I separated that very hair into 5. So by starting with a smaller section and then increasing the amount of hair, but still making sure I have this like all the hair are all the same size from the boss braid to the cornrows. So this is the last cornrows on this session, and on this session I have 8 cornrows, and the next session is gonna be 7 cornrows. And also, as usual, you want to braid all the way to the tip of the hair and then twist it together like the thin finish on the tip of the hair. So now I'm working on the next session, so I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. I've already applied my my scalp and hair treatment, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the cornrows. So you want to start with your own hair first before going into adding the extensions. So right now I'm going in with a small piece, which is the first one. This is the second piece right here, so you just want to keep repeating the same thing. Just increase the amount of hair you add to the cornrows as you braid along. right now I'm working on the last cornrows on the middle part, so I'm just gonna repeat the same thing, braid all the way to the tip of the hair, and then twist the tip of the hair to make it thin, and also it will give you a nice finish once it's all done. So now that that is done, I'm going ahead and dipping the tip of the hair into hot water.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season.
Here is the finished result right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this hairstyle a try. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.